Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a project that name is Pcoin. Pcoin already trading starts on the exchange that name is tax.com, and the price of the coin is very good. It's almost $14.63, and in BTC its price is 0.00035122 BTC. So guys, the project more details you can read on the website that name is powercorp.us, and they also write that the finance your projects and assets the alternative way using the blockchain financing made easy. Guys, this is the white paper. You can just click on this option and you can read the white paper of the Pcoin project, and this is the pitch desk. And if you are going to click on this option, so you can buy and sell the Pcoin on the stack exchange here. So guys, they also write that the what is Power Corp. So Power Corp is innovating finance 3.0 by building a better exchange of value system. Its assets backed Pcoin is a hybrid stable coin that protects against volatility in the cryptocurrency market. So they also write the introduction that acquired A.I foreign exchange algorithm onboarded strategic assets, and also they write that the building up to a GW of renewable energy powered high performance data centers. So you can also read more, just click on the view more. So in the tokenize, they also write that the blockchain has made tokenizing assets a way to onboard and unlock the value of assets worldwide for investment and leveraging for finance. Greater liquidity, faster and cheaper transaction, more transparency, more accessible. You can also read more, click on the get tokenize. So guys, in the borrow, they write that we have self-liquidating financing that will be able for qualifying clients like BTC, Ethereum, dollar, and also in real estate. So you can also apply for that. And in the trade option, you can also check the trade. Just click on the checkout here, and in the trade option, the trading signals will allow you to trade with 90% confidence of a winning trade. And guys, you can also buy and sell on the two exchanges like chainx.kr and also on stacks.com of the Pcoin. And guys, this is the roadmap. So the roadmap is a platform complete 100% functionality, and it's almost 10 MW blockchain data centers development 2022 and 2023. They are also going to IO on top exchange to raise $50 $50 million, and 2024 they also expand assets holding to $250 million, and they also break ground on warming projects, and in 2025 they also break ground on 1GW blockchain data center, and also they expand assets holding to $400 million. Into 2026 they are going to open 1GW data center phase 1 and 1 billion assets held, and in the last 2027 they are going to start the phase 2 of 1GW blockchain data center option, and also they start to 3 billion assets held. Guys, you can also contact with them. Just put it your contact name, company organization name, and you can also put your phone number, email, and just put it your message and click on the submit option. So when they will receive your message, they will contact you soon and give you the answer of your message. So you can also become part of the Power Corp. So guys, just of the community, so just click on the join now and you will join the community. And these are the guys questions about the Power Corp project. So they write that what is PowerCrop? So PowerCrop is a revolutionary project backed by a stable coin, PowerCoin, and the abbreviation of the P coin is a PowerCoin. So the project is a combination of Finance 3.0, cryptocurrency, and blockchain technology. The project will tokenize assets and unlock the value of assets worldwide for investment and leveraging for finance without selling them. And guys, they are also write the second question, like what details and features does powercorp.us provide. So just click on this option and you will see the answer of the second question. So the answer of the second question is powercorp.us is the official website of PowerCrop. The website will have all the details and updates easily accessible and understandable. It also has a powerful dashboard that will show all the activities, wallet details, values, etc. It will also have features to make crypto transaction, means to sell, receive, and exchange PowerCoin. So guys, in the third question they write that how can I buy Pcoin. So they write that to invest in a PowerCoin, Pcoin, or buy, you have to visit chainx.kr first, then create an account, verify your email, and then log in into the website dashboard. From there you can buy Pcoin easily. Guys, you can also buy the coin from Stack Exchange, and this is the Stack Exchange. You can also sign up in the Stack Exchange and buy the coin easily through the BTC or in the USD. So guys, in the fourth question they write how can I assure that everything written in the white paper or on the website will be fulfilled by the company. So they write that a PowerCrop is the result of years of research, work, and experience. We observed the problem and were desperately willing to solve it. Our team also has an experienced in the financial industry and wants to take that one step further by being a part of the growth of the cryptocurrency market. So guys, you can read more about the projects here, and is the word why is PowerCrop different. So you can also just click on here and you will see the answer of this question. So guys, you can also subscribe their newsletters. Just put it your email address here and click on the subscribe option. So when they update anything in their project, you will receive an email in your account. So guys, this is the email. You can also contact with them through the email, and this is the useful link like white paper, FAQ, blog, disclaimer, terms of use, and privacy policy. These are the social connection. You can also contact with them through this social connection like Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn. So guys, I hope you like my video. If you have any type of question about this project, so you can ask in the comment. See you, bye bye.